Alright, hey guys, Nick here with a walk around. Another one. I've been putting up a lot lately. So yeah. Here we got the Cat 320 EL. Nice model. So here we have the bucket parked in this way. Sorry, it's pretty sunny again. This is the bucket that comes with the excavator. As you can see, it says Cat right there. Got a quick coupler on it because there's a trench bucket right there. Got your linkage here, Cat quick coupler, hydros, auxiliary, hydraulics, boom, stick, whatever. And we got your 360 note rotation. And here, oh my god, it's muddy. I just got new shoes today, so it's a good thing I didn't wear them. And here, it's just, regular. Oh my god, it's sunny. So you know what's in there. So. Oh my. Okay, so here you get your model number, Cat logo, All Terrain Contracting, who's doing it, Atlantic Cat, stickers, vents, not stickers. Here you have your huge logo on the back, and then you get your warning beacons on the side, camera. Tracks are pretty nice too. Atlantic Cat, warning, engine compartment, opening area. Again, same side, I'll get it. I'll give you another look at the trench bucket after just a second. So, up here, have a nice organized hydraulic line area there. Rails, mirrors, mirror broke off. Engine compartment up here. Get your exhaust over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'll go look at the trench bucket. I really want to make one of these, except I suck D at making stuff, so it's pretty skinny, actually really skinny. It's got the coupler on it. It's got the ring. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.